I want to make sure that I'll be adding the legitimate Bitcoin asset supported or backed up by Lobster Stellar Network. Which is the correct Bitcoin BTC asset to add? Okay, so we're now logged in to our Lobster wallet by Stellar Lumens XLM. Now, our point of discussion for today is to answer the question, what if I'm wanting to store Bitcoin or BTC using the Lobster wallet by Stellar Lumens XLM? Would that be possible? Okay, on the lower part of our Lobster wallet, we have an option here to click on Add Asset. So, for example, we're going to search for Bitcoin. We will see here that we have two options curated by Lobster Wallet. The first one is Bitcoin BTC with the issuer stellarport.io, and the second one is Bitcoin Lightning BTCLN, and the issuer is kbtrading.org. Now, if I'm going to modify my search and then look for BTC instead, we have four options which are curated by the Lobster wallet. Okay, the first one is BTC with the issuer ultracapital.xyz. The second one is Bitcoin BTC with the issuer stellarport.io. The third one is Bitcoin Lightning BTCLN, issuer kbtrading.org. And lastly, we have YBTC with the issuer ultracapital.xyz. Okay? Now, the main reason why I'm doing this is that I'm planning to have an additional option on how I can store, keep or hold my Bitcoin in a decentralized manner, maximizing the features of the Lobster wallet by Stellar Lumens XLM. Okay? Now, the only challenge that I have on this one is that I'm unsure which Bitcoin asset should I be adding on our Lobster wallet that is directly pegged with the 1:1 ratio of the native Bitcoin asset. Okay? Okay, so what I did on this one is to take a screenshot of the Bitcoin options on the Lobster wallet. Now, if we're going to go back to the homepage of our Lobster wallet and then click on the hamburger menu on the top left, and then if we're going to click on settings, on the next page, we just need to click on help. And then we have an option to contact the support team of the Lobster wallet. Okay? This is how we can submit a ticket if we have questions or we have problems using the Lobster wallet. Okay? So what I did here is to select deposits and withdrawals, funding my account. And then we need to input the nominated email address associated with our Lobster account. Okay, and then we just need to input our name. Okay, so I selected deposits and withdrawals via other anchors. Okay, so I included the attachment on this ticket. And then wrote my question on which Bitcoin asset I can add on the Lobster wallet, which is pegged into a 1:1 ratio with the native Bitcoin asset. Okay, so for this one, I'll show you the email I received from the Lobster wallet team. For additional information, I sent this ticket to the Lobster wallet support last November 29, 2024, Friday, 6:35 p.m. Manila time. I wrote, hi Stellar Lobster team, good day. I recently installed my Lobster wallet and I'm wanting to add Bitcoin as an asset on my Lobster wallet. I want to make sure that I'll be adding the legitimate Bitcoin asset supported or backed up by Lobster Stellar Network. Which is the correct Bitcoin BTC asset to add? I attached the screenshot for your reference. Thank you. Okay, so the Stellar Lumens support team replied on the following Friday, December 6, 2024 at 11:51 p.m. Manila time. Okay, so if we're going to check the time frame, if we have questions or if we're submitting tickets to the support team of Lobster wallet, we can expect a reply in at least 7 days or 1 week. Okay? Now, according to the Lobster Wallet team reply, please note that the Lobster Wallet is intended for managing XLM and Stellar-based assets only. Okay, so we understand that. The original Bitcoin token is issued on the Bitcoin network and cannot be managed in Lobster. Okay? However, in the Stellar network, there are tokens pegged to the value of the original Bitcoin or the original Ethereum in a 1:1 ratio. Such exchange from Stellar-based BTC to native BTC or vice versa is carried out by a Stellar-based asset issuer. Okay? So we can actually add Bitcoin BTC on our Stellar Lumens XLM if we're going to add the correct asset based on the reputable asset issuer. Okay? So it can be done in Lobster through the deposit or withdrawal functions. For BTC Bitcoin, deposit and withdrawal function is available for asset issued by ultracapital.xyz. Okay? We also have the link of the issuer for ultracapital.xyz on the body of our email. Okay? So, for additional information, this is how it looks like, a Stellar Expert, and it has all the relevant information about the issuer for BTC Bitcoin on the Lobster Wallet by Stellar Lumens XLM. Okay? Okay, so if we're going to go back to our Lobster Wallet, this means that if I'm deciding to add Bitcoin on my Lobster Wallet, which is pegged to the native Bitcoin 1:1 ratio, I can simply add the first one or the top option for Bitcoin BTC with the issuer ultracapital.xyz. Okay? So this is one relevant information I can share with you if you're also deciding to have another avenue or option to keep, hold, and manage your Bitcoin in a decentralized manner aside from owning a cold wallet. Okay? So all the information I'm sharing on our video and our channel overall is not a financial advice, and everything is for educational purposes. I encourage everyone to always do their own research. Thank you for the time. If you're able to reach this part of the video, I'll see you again on the next one. Thank you.